Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn to knit this beautiful and very easy knitting stitch pattern. See how beautiful looks of this pattern. This is very easy and simple pattern. You can knit this beauty for summer tops, for vest, for hats, for baby's blanket, and for all kinds of knitting products you like. So this is very cute and very attractive pattern. So I hope you will like the pattern. So to make this pattern you need to cast on multiples of 3 plus 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 3 plus 2 edge stitch, and this is only 4 rows repeat pattern. So let's see how to knit this beautiful pattern. So friends, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and like to my channel. So friends, I cast on 14 stitches on my knitting needles, and I have 4 repeats here, and you cast on as many repeats as you want. So let's knit. So friends, this is our row 1 right side, and row 1 right side we slip edge stitch, and we knit 3. We knit 3 together through back loop. We knit 3 together and we drop this 3 stitch. We knit 3 together and we make yarn over. That's the repeat. We knit 3 together and we make yarn over. We knit 3 together and we drop this 3 stitch and we make yarn over. Again we knit 3 together and we make yarn over and we knit edge stitch. So friends, this is our row 1. I have finished row 1, and now we knit row 2, and row 2 we slip edge stitch and we knit this yarn over stitch and this purl stitch together and we make another 3 stitch. 1, 2, we make yarn over and we purl same on the same stitch. That's like this, and we drop this 2 stitch. So we made 3 stitch. Now again we purl this 2 stitch together and we will make 3 stitches of this 2 stitch. Now again we knit 2 together and we will make 3 stitch. We make 2 together and and we will make 3 stitches together. We will make 3 stitches. We make yarn over and we purl with same stitch. Now we purl edge stitch. So friends, this way I have completed row 2. So now we knit row 3 and row 3 we knit all stitches. We will knit all stitches plain on the right side. So friends, row 3 is complete. Now we will knit row 4. Now we will knit row 4 and row 4 we purl all stitches. So friends, row 4 is complete and now you can see this is how I complete row 1 to row 4 and I have done only one repeat here, and you repeat this repeat pattern 1 to 4 rows over and over again according to your desired length. So friends, this pattern looks very nice and very charming. This is very beautiful pattern. So I hope you will like the pattern, and if you like the pattern, please don't forget to press the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I wish you all the best. Goodbye.